In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned store owner or just starting out, making your product descriptions clear and appealing is crucial for online sales. Adding bullet points can help make your product information digestible and easy to read, enhancing the shopping experience for your customers. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's homepage. Once you're there, turning your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll find a menu option labeled Products. Go ahead and give that a click. This part of the interface is where all the magic happens, as it shows you the various products you've got listed in your store. Next, you'll need to select the specific product to which you want to add bullet points. Scanning through your list of products, click on the one you're ready to edit. This will bring up the editing interface where you can see all of your product's details and descriptions laid out for you. Here is where your edits will come to life. Once you've selected your product, move on to the description section where you want to format your text into bullet points. Click into the description box and highlight the portion of text you wish to turn into a list. Selecting the exact text ensures that your bullet points format correctly and emphasizes the points you feel are most crucial for your shoppers. After highlighting the text, look for the toolbar above your text field. On this toolbar, there will be a button that looks like 3 dots, often known as the More Options button. Click on it to reveal additional formatting options. From this expanded menu, find and click on the bulleted list icon. This converts your highlighted text into a neatly organized bullet point list, making it much easier for your customers to scan and understand the product information. Now that your bullet points are set up just the way you like, the final and arguably most important step is to save your changes. Navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This ensures that all the edits you made to the product description are securely kept and will appear precisely as you formatted them when your customers view your store. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your Shopify product pages with clear, concise bullet points. This not only serves to highlight important product features, but also makes it easier for customers to absorb information quickly, potentially improving their shopping experience and your conversion rates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!